Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm going to go through how I make a thumbnail. I used a basic editing software and it seemed a little bit more reasonable than some of the other ones out there. Like, I don't want to spend 80 bucks a month on just something that designs, thumbnails and pictures and stuff. So this is kind of for beginners like me. So thought I would share this with some of you, and PicMonkey is kind of where I went. They have I think a few different plans. The $7.99 per month is pretty good, but $72 annually is definitely worth it, especially if you're using it a lot. I also do photography, so that this is pretty handy when you're doing all kinds of stuff. So definitely worth checking out and getting involved in, because it'll make it a little bit easier for either YouTube, photography, artwork, whatever you need. So make sure to check it out. So when you start PicMonkey, you'll start with a blank canvas, or you can upload something from your computer or whatever works for you. I go straight to a thumbnail. They have Pinterest, they have icons, they have Twitter, they have Instagram, all kinds of different layouts you can go off of. They have Snapchat, all kinds of stuff. If you want to start with a thumbnail, this is what I go to, and then set up whatever background you want. I usually do a dark background because you want your letters to pop, because people can see it when they're going through feeds on YouTube. So that's how I've been doing it. You can do it however you want to. I'm still pretty new to it myself, but this is just a more reasonably priced starter setup for people if you're interested. There's textures and all kinds of stuff in here. It's really fun. You can get kind of crazy with these. You can adjust saturation. You can do a fade if you want to do something different. The texts are really fun. I have a bunch of different styles of text, and you can change all sorts of colors, which is really handy, and just make it kind of your own. So we'll just do that, and then let's change the color. You can do regular, solid, gradient if you want, all kinds of different things. You can also fill with an image. So let's do like copper or something like that. You can go to stock photos. We'll type in copper. We'll do like a solid background, and you can type in like copper background or whatever you're looking for, and it'll fill whatever you're using with that. So there you go. And you can change it up. There's graphics and stuff to work with. These ones are just basic ones, which are kind of fun to manipulate and adjust. You can set it however you want to. And then there's more elaborate ones. You can do smoke, all kinds of stuff. So I wanted to show you a little bit behind the scenes. So if you need something to make your own thumbnail or banners or whatever, this is how I do it. And I thought maybe you guys would do it too. Maybe you have a different program. I heard Adobe's pretty good, but I do this one because it's cheap. So you can do smoke and all kinds of stuff. But for getting started, this is an excellent program. You can do your layers too if you want it adjusted, pull it up, back, wherever you want to go. You can do effects. There's all kinds of different effects on here, which is pretty fun. We're just adjusting that. Let's do that. Color amp. You can change saturation, fade, whatever works for you. You can add pictures, either upload from your files or add a picture that you want on here. Maybe you have screenshots or something of your game that you're playing. That's what I usually do, and it gets the best resolution for that. Speaking of resolution, when I download, I usually do a JPEG, and it seems to work pretty well. PNG is really good if you have like a transparent background, but I usually just do a JPEG and save it to my files. So yeah, you can adjust pretty much anything, bring to the front, send backwards, whatever works for you. You can also remove background on some stuff. some stuff works better than others. Let's do that. Remove background. Takes just a minute. There she is. There you go. So this is an easy program for you guys if you want to try it out. There's edits, effects, touch-ups, erase, whatever you need to do. So it's kind of handy. They do have different plans. I think the $7.99 is the monthly, and then they have the yearly, which is what I've done. I like that one a lot, and I've used this probably for 5 years, something like that, because I also do photography. So this was really awesome, changing stuff to black and white or lightening it a little bit. So whatever your heart desires. So hope you enjoy.